You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments.
All right, today on DIYNate, we are replacing a brake light bulb in my Jeep Compass. Right here, this bulb right in there is out, and when we hit the brakes, only the right light flashes instead of having the light that's behind the red burn and show up quickly. So we're gonna replace that bulb. I've got the replacement bulb here. It's a 3157 type here, a 12 volt. So I'll be plugging that in and we're gonna go from there. So a couple of the tools I'm using, I've got a flathead screwdriver to pop open these tabs and some pliers. I'm gonna try that out. And then we're gonna slide this cover off, turn the bulb, plug it in, and hopefully fire it right back up. So let's give it a shot and see how this goes. So now we're gonna go ahead and take our flathead screwdriver here, get behind this little piece, this little tab, see if we can pop that guy out, and I'm gonna get him out just about as far as I can without putting too much pressure on it. And once I get this guy out, without putting a hole in the plastic either, let's see how it goes. Get him out just a little bit, just enough that I can get some grip on. Vice grips aren't fitting nicely. Okay, regular pliers worked out well. Pop off one of those, and the next one comes off. Normal pliers here. You can see the little tab comes out like that. So I've got two of those pulled. Pretty sure that is all that is holding this whole fixture here. So we're gonna get in here and just pull apart, separate this guy. And right here, we're into the goods. So now, be careful when you're propping this. You can see right here, this is the bulb that's out. I'm gonna take this guy out. Should slide out for me, and I should be able to pop that in. I'm gonna take this and turn it down, and then you've got the bulb all the way out. So now we are separated here. I've got this bulb that's plugged in there. And really, at this point, all I gotta do, I believe, is disconnect this bulb like so. Looks like I've got some corrosion in there, so I'm gonna clean that out just a little bit here. Yeah, all that white stuff falling out of there, not a good sign. But, you know, is what it is, older light bulb. Hopefully I'm not gonna do any damage. Putting my screwdriver in there will knock as much of that corrosion out as we can. Not sure how that got corroded, but it could be some water getting in there or something, or maybe just a really old bulb kind of getting to the point. Banging on it a few times, you can just see the dust and debris coming out of there. Not a good sign, but you know, is what it is. And as long as it still works, I'll be happy. So now we tapped it out, made sure that there's no more corrosion in there, or as little as we could clean out. There's probably some better ways to clean out the terminals, but I'm going to go ahead and take my chances with it, and we'll see. Take my fresh bulb here, and we're going to go ahead and pop this guy in. Went in like that. So we're going to test our brake light before we go any further now, so test that out. Alright, so because I didn't have an extra set of hands, I had to use my video to tell me whether or not the bulb was working, but I always like to do that before I get deeper into the project and realize I didn't fix something all the way. So brake light should be replaced now. Now I'm just coming behind it to snap the bulb back in place. You can see I'm turning it, making a quick rotation. There's a couple beads here on the back that I'm going to slide in and make sure I got a good connection going there. And then we'll just take these guys and we will slide this guy. These little plastic rivets are going to hold everything in place for us. So we'll put that guy in there. Take our plastic tab here, pop that guy in on one. The second one's going to go in nicely. And just like that, we have changed our brake light bulb. Really easy process. All right, there is our burnout bulb with some corrosion on the end. Just pop the fresh bulb in there and you're good to go. Now, as every good project person knows, you want to test your final work. Make it perfect. With that, good to go. I'll leave a link in the description to this bulb that you need for this Jeep. 3157 is the model type. You can look at it in the video description. I'll put you to an Amazon link where you can buy that bulb. and we are back up and running, ready to roll. And that was an easy fix for today. That was a quick project, very easy. One of those starter projects as you get comfortable working on your cars, putting in a Jeep Compass brake light bulb. Very easy, simple process. Hopefully you have as much success as I did with it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you're interested in checking out my other videos, whether it's on repairing my Jeep Compass, working on some of my other cars, or home improvement, creative projects, that sort of thing, come on by the channel and check it out. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.